Alright guys, so we're pretty much done sanding and papering and taping up the whole truck. All we're gonna do now is just clean the whole truck with paint thinner. And the color of the truck is gonna be a charcoal gray, and the sides, which are these black plastics, are gonna be black. So when we spray the black, it doesn't really matter if it gets on the truck, because again, we're gonna cover this up when it dries up. So when we spray, it's not even gonna show. So this is gonna be black, and this is gonna be a charcoal gray. So all we're gonna do now is just go ahead and clean it with paint thinner, guys.
Alright guys, now that we're done cleaning the whole entire truck with paint thinner, I'm gonna start spraying some adhesion promoter on the plastic, so let's get to it. Alright guys, now that I'm done spraying the adhesion promoter, we're just gonna let it sit there and flash, and as soon as that's done, we're just gonna shoot the Raptor, so let's just wait.
Alright guys, so we let the adhesion promoter already flash. So now all we're just gonna do is just start spraying the black on the black plastics and over there. So let's start off with these first. Alright guys, so we already finished spraying on the black Raptor on the plastics that the customer wanted black. So now we're just gonna let it sit there and dry, and tomorrow we're gonna come back, tape up the black, and spray on the charcoal gray. So alright guys, stay tuned and thank you, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.